Looking for the best welding helmets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 welding helmets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. 3M Speedglas Auto-Darkening Filter. Well-ventilated helmet reduces fogging. Side glass panels improve the user's range of vision. Includes a plasma mode. For welders who prefer more side vision as they work, this helmet is definitely one to consider. Additional plasma mode is also good for hobbyists. Filter is on the smaller side, but many users praise the tighter fit. Other models in this series have larger filter sizes. May not accommodate larger respirators. At number 2. Lincoln Electric Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Works especially well in grind mode. Darkest setting, 13, reduces retinal burn from arc light but not overall visibility. 4C technology is extremely effective. This is a popular choice among hobby welders who don't need the most advanced features. The headgear is comfortable and eyewear comes with extra lenses. Ventilation an issue during hot conditions. Fogging possible in some cases. At number 1. Jackson Safety Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet with Boulder Technology. Darkens by wavelength, not triggered by sunlight. Lens exceptionally clear, easy to see weld puddles. Lens design and blue shade reduce retinal burning. Highly recommended by both hobby and professional welders, this helmet has a very comfortable and eyeglass-friendly mask. Automatically darkens with arc light, but still remains clear for welding work. No test button to check darkening speed. Control knobs difficult to reach during use. No grinding or cutting mode. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.